Hello everyone and welcome back. Now you have finished the prerequisites, let's go through the monitoring as code concepts. In this module, we're going to cover a few monitoring as code concepts such as why monitoring as code, the difference between declarative and procedural monitoring as code implementation, and many other core concepts. First, let's start talking about why monitoring as code. Well, monitoring as code provides a way to manage your monitoring resources using code just like we do in our infrastructure, right? And we have been talking about this in the beginning of this course. But this approach has several benefits, and I would like to discuss it with you right now. The first one is consistent and standardization. Second, version control and auditability. And last but not least, scalability and automation. Let's go over each one. Well, consistent and standardization. Using code to define monitoring resources ensures a consistent and a standardized approach across your entire platform. And this is really good because it reduces the human errors and makes sure that all monitoring setups follow the same standards. Well, with monitoring as code, your monitoring configurations are repeatable and predictable, leading to a more reliable monitoring platform. And this is super amazing because you can ensure the desired state on every different environment. The second one is version control and auditability. Well, version control provides out-of-the-box auditability, so we can easily understand who changed the resource, when, and why. And this is very important because we can understand how the resources evolve over time. This provides a great traceability and also improving the accountability within the team. The last one is scalability and automation. Well, monitoring requirements might change over time once your business scales and have different requirements at the moment. Tools like Terraform allows you to automate the provision and management of these resources, letting you scale your monitoring infrastructure efficiently as your environment grows. Those are the main concepts of the monitoring as code. Now let's understand the difference between declarative and procedural code to implement monitoring as code.